So let's just talk about path module in Node.js. So path module is a built-in module and that is used for working with file and directory paths. So it is used to handle and transform paths easily and consistently across different operating systems. So to use the path module, first of all we have to import that. So we're gonna use require, and here inside, because this is one built-in module, so we're gonna write path and this will return one path object. Now we can use the path object and we can call several different methods of that object. So we can use the basename method, so this will return the name of the file in that path. So here inside we have to pass the directory name along with the name of the file. So here we can use __ file name, and let's just console log this and let's just run node demo. So that is the base name of the file, and also we can use dir name, so this will return the directory of that path, and also we can use ext name, so this will return the extension of the file in that directory. .js is the extension of that file. And also we can use the most important parse method, so we can write path.parse and this will return one object, and the object contains the root, the directory, and the base name, the extension, and the file name. So the path module is a very important and powerful built-in module that is used for working with the file system paths. So this path module ensures that the path operations are consistent across different operating systems. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.